Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is going to be on a Bayou test run on my latest restore number 107. It's a 1958 10 horsepower Johnson QD19. This restore is for Chris. Completely restored, taken apart, painted, decaled, rebuilt everything on it. Gear case, carburetor, magneto. Which came out pretty good. Only thing I do have missing on it is the medallion. Medallion's missing on the front here. I got it on order. It'll come in. Thought I'd take her and put her in the Bayou. She ran good on the barrel. I'm gonna put her in the Bayou this morning and see how she does. So if everybody's ready, here we go. Alright, I got her out on the Bayou and giving her a little run. She runs great. Absolutely great. Great restore. Pushes my 14-foot feathercraft about 18 miles an hour. Let's give her a good run. Let's take her out. Here we go. Check her in reverse. She shifts right. I'm going to give you a view out the front of the boat now. Alright, well now, I've been about 10 minutes into the run, and she's starting to jump out of gear. About every minute or 30 seconds she jumps like that. That's a sign of a worn clutch dog. Let me take it for a run and see if you can see it doing it. Didn't do it that time. I'm gonna keep running or see if I can make it fail again. Well, she's a beauty. This motor's for Chris. Chris, I've been giving her about a 20-minute ride. Pretty much performing right on track for a 10 horsepower, pushing 18 miles an hour. Awful good. Let's give her one more run here. Here we go. Yes, sir. She's a keeper. Just waiting on the medallion. And number 107 is good to go. Hope you all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!